So welcome to the 19th video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about the numbers from 51 to 60. So the contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing and practice session. In 9th video we have learned the numbers from 0 to 10. In this new lesson we will learn from 51 to 60. Do you remember in 17th video we have learned 50? How do we say 50 in Chinese? It's wu shi, wu and shi. Okay, wu shi. So 51 we say wu shi yi, wu shi yi. Okay, 51. Wu shi, wu shi yi. 52 is wu shi er. 五是三 54 is 五是四 五是四 55 is 五是五 五是五 Okay, 56 is 五是六 五十六 57 is 五十七 五十七 58 is 五十八 五十八 59 is 五十九 五十九 And the last one is 60. So for 60 we will learn a new word today. 60 okay is 六十 okay 六是 okay. So let's take a review. 一二三四五六七八九十 okay. So for new lesson 五十一五十二五十三五十四五十五五十六五十七五十八五十九 And the last one is 六十五十一五十二五十三五十四五十五五十六五十七五十八五十九六十 Now comes to the characters typing session. 五十一 means 51. 五十一五十一五十二 means 52. 五十二五十三 means 53. 五十三 54. 五十四五十四 55. 五十五Oh, sorry, 五十五五十五五十六 56 五十六 57 五十七五十七 58 五十八五十八 59五十九五十九 Okay, number 2 character 五十九 And last one is 六十
是 okay. Number 2六是 now let's take a review 51 51 52 52 53 53 54 54 55 55 56 56 57 57 58 58 59 59 and the last one is 60.
So now comes to the practice session. Ali 跟我读51
51
52
52
53
53
54
54
55
55
56
56
57
57
58
58
59
59
60.
60.
This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.